There are days when life feels heavy, days when you wake up and don't feel motivated, days when your mind is tired, your heart is tired, and your spirit feels weak. But listen to me carefully. Those days do not define you. Your strength is not measured by how perfect your life looks. Your strength is measured by how many times you chose to keep going, even when you had every reason to give up. Some of the strongest people you admire today, they were once overwhelmed, lost, unsure, and scared. They cried. They doubted themselves. They failed over and over again. But what made them winners is that they kept showing up. Maybe nobody sees your effort. Maybe nobody claps for you. Maybe nobody tells you I'm proud of you. But you are growing in silence, becoming stronger than you've ever been. One day, the same people who didn't believe in you will ask you how you did it. And the answer will be simple. I didn't stop. Progress doesn't always look big. Sometimes it's small. Sometimes it's just waking up. Sometimes it's taking one step. Sometimes it's choosing to believe that tomorrow can be better. So please don't rush the process. Don't compare your journey to anyone else. You are on your own path, your own timing, your own story. Every single day you're improving, even if you don't notice it. Every challenge you face is shaping you. Every struggle is building you. Every setback is preparing you for something greater. So take one small step today, not because you feel ready, but because your future self is depending on you. And soon, you will look back and realize one thing. You were never weak. You were growing.